A new day to prove I'm an A student. The principal is just my type. Huh? Is it me, or is it so hot in here? Oh no! Whoa! Who threw this? What's that? Who's responsible for this? Me? No, her. Huh? What's wrong? I see you're holding the evidence. You want attention? No, she did it! How dare you! Who should I believe? This is getting out of hand. No! This is gonna teach them their lesson. Huh? Whoa! Wow! What is he looking at? I have to check. You wanna join? Yeah. A magic cube. The first one to take it wins. Consider this your first challenge. I'll win. No, I'll win. It's on. You bet. Let's see what I have in my bag. Hey! Oops. Oh look! I can make use of this. Yee-haw! Catch you now! Ooh, I feel dizzy. Come on! Huh? Hey! Oops! Hey, stop it! Ouch! That hurt! Who did this? Uh-oh. Sorry, my bad. I'm gonna try something else. Let's hope this magnet works. Guess it was just a toy. What else? Whoa! How did this fit in my bag? It's like magic. Oh, this has to work. Hey, fishy fishy. I mean, cubey cubey. I don't think this fishing rod is gonna do the job either. Huh? I think I accidentally caught a treasure. I don't want money, though. Oh, ka-ching! How are we gonna get it? Leave it to the pros. Two. Just trust my process. Did I mention I have great aiming skills? If that thing touches me, I will run away. And go! Yeah, I told you it would work. Oh, congrats, I guess. I always do. And we have a winner. Teacher 1, Student 0. Here comes the next challenge. Call me. Is he okay? Do the cha-cha. Yes! I know lots of TikTok moves. I'll dance, dance, dance with my hands, hands, hands. Ugh. I'm owning the dance floor, huh? Impressive. Serve and slay. And I'm done. Your turn. Move and watch how it's really done. And lights. How did you… Whoa! It takes two to tango. Ahem. I'm done charming him anyway. You are not done yet. Consider this as playing Just Dance. You gotta follow the lines. Oh. I'll go first. Come on. Yay! The floor's mine! Honestly, this is too easy. Woohoo! Bravo! Huh? Oh no, I can't let her win. She won't see this coming. Do your thing, marbles! And jump! Here comes the next move! All those dance classes Mom sent me are paying off! The last step, literally! Phew! She got lucky this time. Hey, your turn! Okay, so there's no way I'm jumping like a rabbit. I got my own groove. This is how you serve class. It's an art walking in heels. Huh? Wow! Hey you. I noticed that you can't stop looking at me. Whoa! Oh, betrayed by my own marbles. Are you okay? I'm fine. I don't need your help. And the winner is obviously her. Yay! I knew it! Ugh. Time to update the scoreboard. Looks like a tie. So, who's ready for round 3? I guess it's time to get physical. Haha. Whoa!
I hate PE classes.
May the odds be ever in your favor.
Wow! This feels like a party!
Ugh, what do I do with these?
Paper confetti! Yay!
He made a mess.
I'm ready!
Go!
Woohoo! I'm fast, but I'm not furious, huh? Red side.
What a waste of energy.
And all done.
Huh. Just you wait. I haven't made my last move. Yet. Tiptoe, creep, sneak. I'll take these. Rules? Huh. I make my own rules.
Hey! That's not fair!
Do I look like I care? I'll declare my victory. Mr. Principal.
No! But she cheated!
I see nothing but blue. That means the winner is you! Yeah, I'm the champion! The scoreboard is now 2-1. Bark, 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 bark! Gotcha! It's me! How's my chicken impression? Oh, so cute.
This is weird.
I'm gonna announce your next challenge now. Lay some eggs.
Huh?
Yeehaw! This is gonna be fun, what?
Whoa!
These golden boxes are fancy.
Is it weird I'm kinda craving an omelet?
Well, I'm feeling a bit hungry too. You'll eat once the competition is over. Catch!
I got it!
Ugh. Alright, Nuggets. Let the challenge begin!
Hope you break your eggs. Ugh.
In your dreams. 1 egg, 2 eggs, 3 eggs. Flawless aim, 0 cracks. I was born for this. I'm excellent.
Why is this so stressful? I'm sweating like a pig. Phew. 1 down, 9 to go. Huh? How is she almost done? You know what? She ain't playing fair, so neither will I. It's time for an egg extraction mission. Every hen fears the fox, and today, I'm that fox. And just like that, my carton looks full. No one has to know. Organic eggs from free-range chicken. Hey, I'm done!
Huh? How's this possible? You thief! Wow! Ding ding ding! You win! The student surpasses the teacher!
Yeah! I get an A+!
Okay, your next challenge, turn the wheel.
But how?
Decide between yourselves who's gonna go first.
Let's do it! Rock, paper, scissors!
Ha! I'm gonna do it. Let's see what we get. Not music, not music. Oh, music. Can I turn the wheel again? Nope, you have to guess my favorite song. Oh, I think I know this one. I've heard you listen to this song on loop. It's Red Light by B-Kid. Aw, that's correct. You really know me so well. Well, the reward is kinda lame. You go now.
Okay. I won't get maths if I'm lucky. Oh no.
Guess you're not lucky after all. Solve this equation.
This is some Einstein-level stuff. 3?
Nope. Sorry. This is the correct answer.
How was I supposed to solve that?
My turn. Turn, wheel, turn. Biology. What's my question? How many centimeters is my… I know this one too. Don't ask how. 80.3 centimeters. Is that correct? Well, I don't know. Wow, that's correct. Yeah. Looks like I'm gonna win this round. Ooh, the prizes keep getting better. Time for a refreshment.
I prefer water anyway. I'll turn again. And I get… literature. Fingers crossed it's easy.
I wouldn't bet on it. So answer this.
Oh, come on. What even is this question? I don't know the answer. How did I do?
Let's check. Page 95. Line 8. Huh? Wow, incredible! That's correct!
What? Really? Yes! I knew that, duh! Ooh, my favorite snack! Mmm, so crunchy.
But overall, she wins this round. Yay!
I don't care.
It's 3-2. Everything depends on this next round. Back to my favorite digital cube. I know you both want to play with it, so here's your chance. Sending your cubes now.
Yay! I can finally get my hands on this.
Oh, I hate new tech stuff. How does this even work? Do I throw it? Do I shake it? Huh? Oh no, I think I broke it!
This is so fun! I'm gonna buy my own later, bringing classic puzzles into a whole new dimension. I did it! I'm a genius!
Oh boy, I think I'm too old for this.
Aw, don't be sad. I'll help you.
Okay, I accept your offer.
So turn this side. No, I mean that way.
Oh, I think I get it now. Aw, what a lovely sight. And we have a true winner. Friendship wins. Kindness is always the answer. My challenge is complete.